friends, same shirt, same setup. Trying to film as many videos as I can because, you know, when you get that itch to do it, regardless of how you look, you want to do it. So, I did a Shop Miss A haul. Lots of hauls this month, I have to say. I have been not doing a lot of hauls, and then when this month started, I just kind of was like, you know what, I'm going to buy some stuff. So, mostly essentials that I found on their website that I thought were really neat and nice, and I picked up for me and my daughter. So, you know, of course, Shop Miss A always bundles and wraps their stuff so nicely, which I love. Excuse me, Yummy. You guys are in my way. And then see this one, how nicely bubble taped it is. Really, really nice. Hopefully everything's in here. I wonder how you open this. This is really awesome. Well, I'm just going to start pulling. I'm not going to pop it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dee Dee. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, this month I just, you know, thought, you know what, I'm going to buy myself some things. I hadn't really picked up anything, and so I thought, you know, why not? But if you are not familiar with Shop Miss A, it is a website that everything is pretty much $1. They do have things that are $3, $5, $1.55. It does go up a little bit. I haven't seen anything that's $20 or $15. I think everything is under 10 and under, if I'm correct. I may be wrong, but don't quote me on that. But mostly everything is $1, majority of it. So yeah, let's just get started. Like I said, I got a few makeup items, not very many. These are the AOA Studio Rich Creamy Velvet Color lips, non-sticky, soft finish, ultra pigmented matte lip, and these are $1.55 each. I saw that these were new, so I thought, why not go ahead and give them a try. I don't need any more, but you know, this is the first shade, Reese. It's like a pretty mauve tone pink, like I like. And then there's this one, Lana, which is more of like a, I want to say maybe peachy, kind of corally, but not like a bright coral. Really pretty, so I picked up those. This is a mini Moochie, which is $1.88. I really like this, so I picked that up. It's just a mini. This is for my daughter. This is the AOA Studio Jelly Jam Moisture Rich Mask infused with coconut oil and aloe vera in the rose, because she's always complaining her lips are dry, so I picked her up this to keep by her bed, and she can put that on her lips at night. My daughter one of these little headbands. They do tell you on the website that it's just random selected, so you don't know what color you're gonna get. She's been wanting one of these, so I just picked her that up. I was hoping she got like a colorful one, but I'm sure she wouldn't mind this one. I think she'll still like it. These are the AOA Studio Pure Sanitizing Wipes, 15 to a pack in the lemon scent. I thought I would just give these a try. I usually buy the same ones that I've always bought. I can't remember the brand at the moment. I get them from Target, and I bought those for so many since my kids were little, but I just thought I would try these just to see if they are any good. Is the exfoliating mini lip brush. It says you can use it on blackheads and lips. I don't know how you would use it on blackheads, but that was $1. I know Dollar Tree has these as well. And I have one from Sonia Kashik that I got before I saw them at Dollar Tree, but I got that for my daughter to try. And then I got myself this. This is the AOA Studio Mascara Guard, because I always am in a hurry putting my mascara on, and I always make a mess and then ruin my under eyes. So I got that. I picked up 2, I believe, of these AOA Studio brush cleaners. So it's like the, I'm assuming it's like the color switch. And they're very small. I like the ones from Dollar Tree. And I do have a new one, but I thought to give these a try to see if they're any good as well. These are the Invisible Acne Patches with tea tree and cica. It says it absorbs impurities, protects, and it comes with 15 patches. And these are the 10 millimeters, I think is what you say. They're the small ones, I believe. They have 2 sizes, and I believe I picked up both sizes. The other one's probably in there for me and my daughter. I saw these. They're from the brand Oki, I believe, and they are toilet seat covers. 20 covers for $1. I thought that would be great just to keep in my purse, because there's a lot of times that you go places and they don't have any seat covers. So these are the ceramic toothbrush stands, and they were $1. I got my daughter the pink one and my son the gray one. And now that I think about it, I wish I had gotten them white or navy blue. They did have that. They feel kind of heavy. I should have got them those colors, which is fine, because we recently redid their bathroom to make it age appropriate, because before they had like real young kids stuff, and they picked this really pretty floral one, and it has like yellow and navy blue and a little bit of black, but mostly white. So pretty. And so that would have looked really good, but it's okay. They'll still use it. And they were only $1. This is a Silly Dip Wonder Blender. It says silicone infused technology. I hadn't tried this one, so I thought I would give it a try. Right there. And this one I believe was $1.88. These are the AOA Studio Velvet Reusable Cotton Pads. Machine washable bamboo cotton fiber, comes with 2, and they're $1.33 each. And these are to remove makeup. You can also use them to cleanse your face and all of that. They feel so soft. Even the packaging feels extremely soft. These are the Slim Brows. I've tried the regular ones that are more defined, the kind of thicker, but I thought I would give these a try. These are the Slim, and I got them in dark brown. I picked up 2 because I love the original one, and I thought, you know what, I hear a lot of people raving about this one, and I thought this would be good for giving me like those more natural brow, like, you know, look, which is what I like to go for. So I got those 2. Picked up another AOA Studio Pure Sanitizing Wipes in mint. So I picked up the lemon and the mint. I wanted to see if those were any good. Picked up a Cala contouring sponge. And I thought I would give that a try for maybe like foundation or powder, because it's flat. I did see on the advertisement the person was using it for powder, and I love to use sponges for powder, so I thought I would give that a try. This is the another moisture jelly mask right there. That's in the honey one. I think I got the honey for my daughter and the rose for me. I can't remember. I love these Shop Missy packagings. I'm trying not to pop it so I can maybe use it for like, see how it is? The bubbled, and it's like staying blown up. Maybe I could try to use this to send a package to somebody. For my mom or something. Okay, I did pick this up. I always see Beth using hers, and I love it. I think it's so cute because it's pink and only for $1.55, and mine's so tiny, like it's just a little circle, so sometimes it's hard. But I picked up this cute little mirror. I just thought it was so cute, so I wanted that. These are those invisible acne patches. These are in the 12 millimeters. Same thing, they're just bigger. And I'm going to give those a try tonight. I picked up a few pieces of jewelry, 1 for my daughter and 2 for me. These are the brand Melody, I believe, and then Mint. And these are like some doubled. You can see right there how they're really cute and silver. And then I got these for my daughter, just some small hoops with butterflies, because she loves butterflies right there. For $1, you cannot beat them. I have a lot of Shop Miss A jewelry. These are some pretty gold hoops that I got. They're like doubled, really pretty. They feel heavy too. Plastic crates, foldable, stackable, multifunctional. And these small ones were $1. These are the small. They're 15 by 10 by 5.7 cms. That is what they look like. Right there. I got a pink one in the small and a mint green in a small because I figured these are the colors I like, pink and green. And I'm sure I can find something to use those for. I also got them in other sizes, which I'm going to show you right now. Then I picked 2 of each size just to see. This one's going to go to my daughter. This is the medium, 22 by 14.7 by 9.2. This one was $1.88. It's a pretty lavender color, so I'm going to give that one to her to put her things in. I got this blue one in case my son might want one for like his stuff in the bathroom or even in his room. This is the medium as well. It's like a grayish blue. Right there. 0.5 by 19.7 by 12.5. I picked up 2 in the, what color? These were $1.88 as well. I think these were considered beige or something like that. I can't remember. Does it say on here? Yeah, beige. And they're like a tannish color. So those will be great. Let me try to open one of these and just see what it looks like. For what you're paying, it's not bad. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. It feels pretty nice. So there's the large one there. There's the medium. Very pretty purple. My daughter's going to love that. She may want to use this in her room, but I think she should use it under the sink. I can always order more. Okay, guys, sorry. I got a phone call, and it lasted very long. And I changed my shirt, which I should have did at the beginning of the video, but I just came back real quick to share this. I showed you guys the little one. I put it together. See how cute it is? And I just added some of the new items that I just got in here. So I have my eyebrow pencil, things that I want to try. They're right in here. They fit nicely and perfectly. I'm going to set it right here on this desk. And I put the other one over here and put the palettes and things like that that I need to try, like the newer products that I've gotten in boxes and things like that. The large one I put over there on my Alex drawer and it fit all nicely in there, so that was great. But yeah, so that's everything that I picked up in my recent Shop Miss A haul. I just wanted to get some of the newer things and the essentials that I needed in storages. Those storage bins are going to come in handy. I'm probably going to be placing another order for some more of those. And I may pick up some for my husband too, for like in the garage for like his little things that he has, maybe like, you know, the small ones for lures, or even the big one. He has some lures and all his fishing stuff, so it can be organized and look really nice in there because they're pretty sturdy. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love for you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I will also link Shop Miss A's website down below for you guys as well. Definitely check them out. I believe if you order $30 or more, you do get free shipping, which I think is a great deal. That's 30 things, essentially, if you get the dollar items. But they have a lot of stuff on there. If you are have not heard of them or have not visited them, definitely do. They have makeup, accessories, body products as far as like essentials. They have things for decor. They have just so many different things. There is a lot, so it can take time looking on the website, but they do have a lot of great things that I think that you would enjoy and definitely be able to find something that you like and want to try. So yeah, guys, so this is going to complete this video for today. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out if you'd like to watch more videos from me. Let me know any videos that you would like to see me do or anything like that, or if you have any questions about any of the products, or you have any questions about any other type of product, let me know that down in the comments. I would love to answer any questions that you guys have. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.